All right, so how much does YouTube actually pay you for a video that gets over 400,000 views? Well, I'm going to share a video that got over 460,000 views, but I'm going to also show you why there are some factors that can actually either decrease or increase how much YouTube will pay you. Some of it depends on you and some of it does not. This is part of a series that I'm doing where I'm breaking down videos that have done really well for another channel that I've built over the last 10 years. And I'm going to share with you what those numbers look like. So I'm going to be sharing in this one, 465,000 views. I'm also going to be doing another one in this series right here. That's going to be a 259,000, 235, and possibly the 153 one. Not quite sure yet. I already did the one on the 629. I'll link that up in the description. So let's just get into it. Let me go ahead and click on the analytics tab for this video right here. And let's go ahead and open it up. So there's your numbers. All right. 465,718 views, and it's made $6,472.70. It's also gotten 4,800 subscribers, which is amazing, and over 39,000 watch time hours. Now, here's what I want to share with you because I think it's really, really important. And that is, if we go in here to the revenue tab, you're going to see, if I scroll down here, this video over the course of the time since it's been uploaded, the average is $13.90. Now, let me just say, if you are in a different niche, not in e-commerce niche or financial or how to make money, that number will most likely be a lot lower. So like I said, it does depend on what kind of niche that you are in, but also it's going to depend on the time of year because advertisers have different budgets for different times of the year, and that's how it works. But for every 1,000 videos that this got, it averaged $13.90. But check this out. This is where it gets interesting. So if I go here, and I'm going to go into monthly, and you're going to see like right here, when that video came out, this first month was $518. And then let's see, $633, $760, $1,119, $765, $602, $429. This is monthly, by the way, $316, right? But now here's what I really want to point out to you. And the reason why I'm doing this series. This is amazing. You have a video that has made over $6,000, but that is not sustainable. Meaning, if you are on YouTube and you're just going after AdSense money, to get videos to pop to make that kind of money, it's not your entire channel. It is not all of your videos are going to do this. You might have some outliers, but that's not typical. And the reason why I'm saying that is because over the last 17 plus years, I've been building businesses online using YouTube. And actually, when I started, AdSense wasn't even a thing, but the money that comes from AdSense is not consistent and it's not stable. That's why what we do is we actually build out a product line or affiliate offers. Like we diversify just like you would if you were in the stock market. It's something that we call our 100K roadmap, which is not dependent on AdSense. If you're interested in getting that roadmap, it's a playbook that I've created. It's 18 pages long. If you'd like a copy of that, just comment 100K down below and I'll send you a copy. I really want to help creators, yes, get this kind of stuff going for them, but more importantly, diversify and being able to add multiple income streams, not just relying on AdSense, because I've seen so many people where they bank on it. They might have a couple good months and then all of a sudden it goes away and they're disappointed. This here is kind of like a wake-up call. And that's what this series is about, for you to understand, yes, this is kind of money you can make, but also it's not sustainable. We have to protect ourselves from that. So that's what I wanted to cover here. There's going to be more. You're going to see on this screen right now, there's probably going to be 1 or 2 videos that pop up. That's going to be another deep dive into the analytics to show you how much another video has made. Has it made $13.90 per 1,000? Has it made 6,000? We'll have to wait and see. Watch one of those videos and I'll see you there.